In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up a repeating invoice in Xero. Start by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the top menu and click Business or Sales, depending on the version you see. From there, select Invoices to open the invoice area. This is where you can create and manage both one-time and repeating invoices. So make sure you are in the correct section before continuing. Next, click the New button. A menu will appear with different invoice options. Choose Repeating Invoice. This opens the setup screen for an invoice that Xero will generate on a schedule you define, rather than creating each invoice manually every time. On the Repeating Invoice form, begin by selecting the invoice type. Choose the option that matches the kind of invoice you want to send. After that, set the repeat schedule. Enter the start date, then choose how often the invoice should repeat. This could be weekly, monthly, or another available interval, depending on what fits your billing cycle. Make sure the date and frequency match the schedule you intend to use, since these settings control when future invoices are created. Once the schedule is in place, move to the Customer Details section. Enter the customer information in the contact field, then complete the invoice itself by adding the required line items. Include the products or services being billed, along with any quantities, descriptions, prices, tax settings, or account selections that apply to this invoice. Review each line as you enter it so the recurring version reflects exactly what should appear each time it is generated. After the invoice content is filled out, choose how you want Xero to handle approval and email delivery. You can set the repeating invoice to be approved automatically, and you can also choose to have it emailed automatically if that suits your process. If you do not want either action to happen on its own, leave those options set according to your preference. This part determines what happens after each invoice is created from the template. Before saving, review the full repeating invoice setup. Check the invoice type, start date, frequency, customer details, line items, and any automatic approval or email settings. This is a good point to confirm that the recurring pattern and invoice content are both correct, because those settings will carry forward into future invoices. When everything looks right, click Save. Xero will create the repeating invoice using the schedule and details you entered, and it will be ready to run according to those settings. Your repeating invoice is now set up in Xero and saved with your chosen schedule.